This is going to be a video how to make a Lego cake. Delicious cake. So, you might hear my dad. You might hear my TV because, like, there's a game happening right now. So, like, yeah. I'm just going to get the pieces started up. I'm going to help my mom get my mom started, okay? Bye. I'm just going to get my mom to start me up. Okay, guys, I'm coming back. Okay, so here are the pieces. So this dark piece, these two white pieces, this one, like these two flower pieces, this one orange piece, this one light brown piece, and this one white piece. So you put the red piece onto the orange piece like this. Then after that, once you have that, you get out the cake top, put it in like this. Then you grab the two white parts, put one like this right next to it, and put the one that you just put it like this. So then there's one hole right here. And then on that hole, you put the other red piece, so it'd look like flowers and strawberries. Yeah, I mean strawberries. And then you put, this brown piece, it's brown, not black, onto here. Brown. Then you put the light brown piece onto here, like this. You have a Lego cakey cake. Lego cakey cake. Lego cakey cake. Lego cake. Nom nom nom.